Every single day, you wake up with a choice. You can either look at the sun and feel defeated by the weight of yesterday, or you can look at the sky and realize that you have a completely blank canvas. Most people live their lives on autopilot. They wake up, brush their teeth, go to a job they do not love, come home, watch television, and go to sleep. They do this day after day, year after year, and then they wonder where their passion went. I am here to tell you that your passion never left you. You simply buried it under a mountain of excuses. You told yourself that you are too old, too young, too poor, or too tired. But the truth is, the only thing standing between you and the life you want is the story you keep telling yourself about why you cannot have it. It is time to change that story today. Look around this room. Every person here has a hidden dream. Some want to build a business, some want to write a book, and others just want to find inner peace. But fear stops us. We are terrified of failure. We are terrified of what our neighbors, our parents, or our friends will say if we fall down. Let me tell you a secret: everyone fails. The most successful people in human history did not have a smooth road. They simply refused to let failure have the final word. If you look at failure not as a wall, but as a lesson, your entire world changes. You start to see that every setback is just a setup for a massive comeback. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. The perfect moment does not exist. The stars will never align perfectly, the traffic will never completely clear, and your bank account will never feel 100% ready. If you wait until everything is perfect to start your journey, you will die waiting. The best time to start was 10 years ago. The second best time is right now, in this very second. Action cures fear. When you sit and think too much, your mind creates monsters. It tells you all the things that could go wrong. But when you take just one small step forward, the monster shrinks. Think about a massive ship in the ocean. When the ship is sitting still in the harbor, the rudder cannot steer it anywhere. It is stuck. But the moment the ship starts moving, even a little bit, the rudder can turn it toward any destination in the world. You are that ship. You cannot steer your life if you are standing still. You need momentum. Do not worry about the next 20 steps. Do not worry about how you will finish the race. Just focus entirely on the next single step. If you want to write a book, write one paragraph tonight. If you want to get fit, walk for 10 minutes tomorrow. Small actions, repeated daily, create massive avalanches of success. You cannot live an extraordinary life if you surround yourself with ordinary thinking. Look closely at the 5 people you spend the most time with. Are they pulling you up, or are they dragging you down? Do they talk about big ideas, or do they talk about other people? Energies are highly contagious. If you hang out with 4 negative people, you will inevitably become the 5th. If you hang out with 4 motivated, driven, and kind people, you will become the 5th. It is your responsibility to protect your environment. Sometimes, choosing greatness means walking alone for a little while. This is the hardest part of the journey. When you decide to grow, some people in your old life will get uncomfortable. They will tell you that you have changed, or that you are dreaming too big. They do not hate your dreams, they hate their own lack of courage to dream. Wish them well, love them from a distance, but keep moving forward. You owe it to your future self to surround yourself with people who force you to level up, who celebrate your victories, and who hold you accountable when you slip up. Growth is uncomfortable. Change is painful. But nothing is as painful as staying stuck somewhere you do not belong. Think about an athlete. When they lift heavy weights, their muscle fibers actually tear apart. It hurts, and it causes soreness. But during the rest period, the muscle heals and grows back bigger, stronger, and more resilient than before. Life works exactly the same way. When you face a difficult challenge, a heartbreak, or a financial crisis, life is not punishing you. Life is lifting weights with you. It is breaking you down so that you can grow back stronger. Do not pray for an easy life. Pray for the strength to endure a difficult one. When you face a storm, do not ask, "Why is this happening to me?" Instead, look the storm in the eye and ask, "What are you trying to teach me?" Every single drop of pain you experience is fuel. You can either use that fuel to burn your own house down with self-pity, or you can use it to launch your rocket ship into a brand new destiny. The choice is yours. True character is not built when things are easy and comfortable. It is forged in the fires of adversity. The most important conversation you will ever have is the one you have with yourself every single morning. Your brain is a supercomputer, and your self-talk is the program it runs. If you tell yourself, "I am clumsy, I am broke, I am always unlucky," your brain will actively search for evidence to prove you right. It will find every mistake and every piece of bad luck to confirm your negative beliefs. You must take control of the microphone inside your head. Start speaking to yourself like someone you truly love and respect. Instead of saying "I can't," start asking "How can I?" That small shift changes your brain from a closed door into a problem-solving machine. Remind yourself of your past victories. Remember the times you thought you wouldn't survive, but you did. You are still here, standing, breathing, and fighting. That means your survival rate for bad days is currently 100%. Never forget that. You are far more capable, stronger, and smarter than you give yourself credit for. At the end of this journey called life, no one will care about the cars you drove, the size of your house, or the brand of clothes you wore. The world will only remember how you made people feel and what you left behind. True success is completely empty if it is selfish. The ultimate goal of success is contribution. When you climb the ladder of success, do not just wave from the top. Reach your hand back down and pull someone else up with you. Your life is a gift, and your talent is your assignment. Do not take your music to the grave. Leave this world better than you found it. Be the reason someone believes in the goodness of humanity. Keep pushing, keep growing, and keep shining your light as bright as you can. Your time on this earth is limited, so make it count. Go out there today, take action, embrace the struggle, and build a life that you are incredibly proud of. Thank you.